Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. For tourists who want to make a trip to the cold city of Takangon, here's the 3-day 2-night itinerary. The Amanti Mount Monument is going to be our first destination. This monument, which is located in central Aceh, has historical value and it's a famous site. And the next one is the fascinating Grand Mosque of Takangon. This mosque has astonishing architecture that was designed by an Arabian modern architect, built with the authenticity of the local culture. Before we hop into our next destination, let's take a break and have a lunch at Sahabat Baru restaurant. This restaurant offers the flavor of Takangon's unique coastal taste. Now, we're heading to Burtalaga, one of many must-visit places for tourists who come to Central Aceh Regency. Once you arrive here, you will find the mildly cold atmosphere for Burtalaga is 4,462 feet above sea level. From up here, you can witness the view of Takangon City and Lut Tower Lake clearly. Such a pleasing sight to the eyes. The great news is that we can easily find homestays around here. Do you love to camp? Tourists can camp along the shores of Lut Tower Lake. The experience would be more enjoyable if we have barbecue as dinner menu. It's our second day in Takangon. As a cold city, this place must have a chilling ambience in the morning. Nonetheless, it won't stop our trip to explore more of tourist destinations in Takangon. Today's morning trip will be started by visiting Putri Pukas Cave. Inside the cave, we can see a stone believed to be Putri Pukas that has been transformed into a stone, a big well, a stone transformed jug, and a seating area for meditation that had been used in the past. Continuing this trip, we can reach Berpapillon. That might sound a bit foreign to people who are not from Central Aceh. Up in this Berpapillon, we can witness a vast panorama of the mountain and fresh air. For today's lunch, we will have it at Green Zone restaurant. This place offers authentic Guyanese food, especially freshwater fish menus. A spacious area with open-style building. There are also traditional Indonesian gazebos which make the ambience more serene. We continue our journey to the last cave. This one is called Kerbau Cave, a natural cave that once was used to herd buffaloes, thus named Loyang Koro, located on the shore of Lut Tower Cave in Kebanyakan Subdistrict, 5 kilometers from Takangon city center. There are not a lot of people who know this Reja Peluntara traditional house from Tawaran Ukang village. This site owns a cultural heritage that holds noble historical values, cultural wisdom, and philosophical values, especially for the village community. Next, we will visit this unique place, built in a curving style, just like a boat that just into the lake. It's called Mini Beach. It's one of the most popular beaches in Gayo Highland. It's time for dinner. Let's go to Gegarang restaurant. This place offers a fun ambience and various mouth-watering menus. After we're done with dinner, let us have some coffee. But it's not ordinary coffee. We will be heading to a place where the coffee culture is the best from the Guyanese coffee farmers. Indonesian Coffee Gallery presents a humble but different experience for the visitors, not only through the pictures, drawings, or other visual graphics, but we can also experience the coffee plantations itself. It's time for rest. Let's head back to our inn. Our last day in Takangon, we will start our day by going to Pantan Terong. Pantan Terong is a tourist destination located at the peak of Gayo Highland, more precisely at Bebesan Subdistrict, Central Aceh. This hill is 4,429 feet above sea level. From up here, the tourists will be pleased with the beautiful panorama and wonderful nature. Central Aceh has high potential as a nature tourism destination. That's why we should spend our time to have our adrenaline rushing by rafting at Takangon River. This rafting area has some levels or category, from farm rafting, semi-rafting, to extreme. Before we go home, let's have a lunch at this restaurant that offers authentic Guyanese flavor. Are you full now? Now it's time to pack and head back home. Thank you for visiting Takangon. Have a safe way back home. See you some other time in Takangon.